Hi guys, my name is Samir Joshi. I'm a financial planner and I'm going to add value to your financial well-being. So today we are going to discuss how we can save maximum income tax out of your income. So we've helped lots of our clients save maximum income tax, and what we've observed after doing their tax planning, many of our clients have started saving almost 50% of their monthly tax deduction. Isn't that great? First of all, many of us make a mistake by considering only Form 16 provided by the HR as a data to file our income taxes. And second big mistake that many of us do is that we plan our taxes at the end of the financial year. It happens with many of us that when we try to save taxes by the end of the financial year, we are short of funds and we are unable to invest in tax saving instruments, and therefore we end up paying higher income taxes. It is very important to give income tax planning an equal priority and to plan it from the beginning of the financial year. Second, and the most important point is saving income tax under Section 80C. Well, most of us blindly or without calculating invest 1.5 lakhs for saving income tax under Section 80C. And while planning taxes, for many of our clients, we have observed that they did not require to invest a full 1.5 lakhs for 80C deduction. In some cases, it was fully taken care of by their existing investments, and they never realized that. We all can wisely use our capital to save income tax under various sections. Let us see which instruments fall in which sections for saving income tax. Number one, salaried individuals straight away save tax on rupees 50,000 under standard deduction. Number two, National Pension Scheme. Now, NPS is one of the most important instruments available to save income tax under Section 80CCD. It is a subsection of 80C and can save income tax on additional income of rupees 50,000. Isn't that great? Now, Employee Provident Fund, Public Provident Fund, life insurance policies, 5 years tax saving FDs, home loan principal, mutual fund ELSS schemes, etc. can save tax up to 1,50,000 under Section 80C. Now, health insurance premiums can save income tax under Section 80D up to the premium limit of rupees 25,000 per year. Another most important aspect of health insurance is if we take parental health insurance, we can save taxes for another 50,000 rupees per year under Section 80D. So this can help you save taxes and you can buy a proper health insurance for your parents. Now, interest paid on home loans saves tax under Section 24B with the maximum limit of interest paid up to 2 lakhs. Now, any donation done to registered charitable trust can save tax under Section 80G. Now, apart than that, we can also save taxes if we have house rent allowance as a component and if we are paying rent for our accommodation. Now, that goes under HR. So if we plan well, we can save maximum income tax from our salary or income from any other sources as well. So if you have any doubts or if you need our help to plan your taxes meticulously, please click on the link mentioned below, and link is into description, and our team will get back to you. So if you like this video and the content of this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share this video to your friends and family members and help them save maximum income tax. So this is Samir Joshi. Thank you very much once again. Goodbye.